Okay, question number 18. The graph of a quadratic function is provided. An equation that represents the function could be. So they give us 4 different values for q of x, and what we want to do is graph them and see which one gives us the same exact graph. So home screen, new doc, say no to drugs, and add a graph page. Now, we're going to put our graph in exactly like we see it on the paper. So control divide 1 over 2, parentheses, x plus 15 quantity squared minus 25. So when I graph this, menu, zoom out, notice this graph opens up, not down, and it's way on the left-hand side of the y-axis, so therefore choice number 1 is not even close. Now I press tab to get my command line back, but I'm going to arrow up to that last function because I want to edit that function. So here I'm going to make my 1/2 negative. So we have negative 1/2, and then everything else is the same. When I press enter, I still have to move around a little bit, right? I get a graph, but my vertex is below the x-axis. So at least it's shaped the right way, so I know I'm getting closer. So now I press tab again, and I'll go edit this graph. So get rid of the negative, and this time we've got x minus 15 plus 25. So menu 4, and notice this graph opens up again. So therefore that can't be my answer. It's not choice 3. Now the rules of deduction tell us if 1, 2, and 3 are all incorrect, the answer must be 4 if we did everything perfect. So I'm not always perfect. I want to double check and make sure that I didn't do something silly. So we make it negative. So it's negative 1/2 x minus 15 plus 25. Enter. Now, menu, zoom, window settings. We go from 0 to 25 and count by ones. On the y-axis, we go from 0 to 25 and count by ones again. And notice we created almost the exact same graph. This graph matches the graph on our paper, and we verified that choice number 4 is absolutely the answer. One detail I do want to talk about, the happy and sad parabola, we should remember if it's negative, it opens down like a frown. If it's positive, it opens up like a smile. So that would have eliminated 1 and 3 from the very beginning. The last detail is our vertex in this case is 15, 25. The maximum height on our parabola is 25. Inside opposite, the opposite of 15 is negative 15. Outside same, the same as 25 is 25. And so the more algebra you know, the easier this question is. But I did want to show you that without a doubt, regardless of how much algebra you can do, if you graph all 4 answers, only one of them will give you the same exact graph. In this case, choice number 4 for question 18.